So, good afternoon, everyone. So, today we are going to discuss about lecture 13. So, if you have not watched from lecture 1 to 12, you should definitely go and watch lecture 1 to 12 so that you can have understanding of basic concepts of machine learning if you are a beginner. So, if you are preparing for interviews or if you are also preparing for your semester examination, then definitely go and watch those videos. It will really help you. Okay, so welcome everyone. Today we are going to discuss what is regression in machine learning. Okay, so regression is a type of supervised learning where we predict continuous values. That means instead of predicting categories like yes or no, we predict numerical values like price, salary, or temperature. The main goal of regression is to find a relationship between input variables and output. For example, based on experience, we can predict salary of a person, or based on area, we can predict house prices. This is exactly what regression help us do. Okay, so this is what regression is. Okay, now we'll discuss what are the steps that we do. Okay, first we import pandas as PD we have discussed in the last slide. How do we read it? Okay, then we use read underscore CSV to load our dataset. In that case, that is a salary dataset. Finally, we use the head function to view the first few rows. This helps us to understand what kind of data we are working with before building the model. Okay, after doing that, we split the data. In the previous lecture also, I have discussed that how we split the data. Okay, so now we split the data into two parts, that is features and target. So X here represents the input value, okay, and which is experience in this case, and Y represents the output variable, which is salary. So basically we are telling the model based on the experience we have to predict the salary. This step is very important because every machine learning model needs inputs and outputs. After that, we do train test split. In the previous lecture also I have discussed that why train test and split is very important. You can go and watch the previous lecture. Okay, so we split our data into training and testing sets. The training data is used to teach the model and the testing data is used to evaluate how well the model performs. We use train test split from sklearn to do this, and here test size is equal to 0.2. That means 20% of data is used for testing. Random state ensures that we get the same split every time we run the code. This step helps us build the model that generalizes well on the raw data. After that, we train the model. Okay, this is a very important part. First, we import linear regression. Okay, from the sklearn, then we create a model object. Okay, after that we use the fit function to train the model using our training data. This is where the model learns the relationship between experience and the salary. Once this step is complete, our model is ready to make the predictions. After that, what we do, once the model has been trained, we make the prediction. We use the predict function, okay, and pass the test data. The model will generate predicted value for salary based on experience. These predictions helps us understand how well the model has learned from the data. This is the core idea of machine learning, learning from data and making predictions. Okay, after that, what is the next step? Next step is how to we can visualize our result. This is where everything becomes clear. First we plot the actual data points using scatter dot plot. Okay, and after that we plot the regression line which show the prediction made by the model. The red line represents the model understanding the relationship between experience and the salary. Okay, so if this line fits the data well, it means our model is performing well. Visualization is very important because it helps us to see how the model is working. So we have discussed basic how regression is done. Okay, so you can do that. You have learned the complete workflow: loading data, preparing it, training a model, making prediction, and finally visualizing the result. This is a huge step in your machine learning journey. journey. In the next step, we will dive deeper into linear regression. We'll see how it actually works and explore it in more detail. So make sure to watch the videos very properly. Okay, if you like the video, please give your point of views on it, and I have also attached the quiz. Please go through that so that you can learn in a more better way. So I'm grateful to you if you have reached till this part of the video. Thank you so much. Continue to learn and continue to watch. Thank you so much.